So opening the word 1F9A0. So after opening the MS Word, your computer must type like this 1F9A0, and after that you can simply press these two keys, Alt key and the S key. So one of your fingers should be in this Alt key and another is in this key. So press these two keys at the same time and we have created a macro symbol. And if you want to change the color also, you must select this, and after that from here you can change the color that you want. So you can change the color also from here. So this is the method. So simply type 1F9S0, and after that you must press these two keys at the same time. Hope this video is useful. For more videos, subscribe.